Welcome back, guys, to the episode of RKR Outdoors. Today, I'm going to take you along as my buddy Cole and I go do some scouting, but also along the way, we're going to do some shed hunting. Got my dog Moose loaded up. He's our shed dog that we own, and hopefully he can get us on some antlers today. Stay tuned. Go find that bone. Catch it up, Moose. Find a bone. He's over here. Find the bone, Moose. Catch it up. Dude, he's like a bulldozer. Come on, find that bone. Find the bone. Find that bone. Out. Where's the bone? Go get it. Go find it. Oh. Well, spot number one was kind of a bust. Dogs had fun. Got some of their energy out of their system. We're gonna stop off at one more place here for the day and head home. Listen, should we go find some bones? Just you and me, buddy. One last spot. Why not? See if you can't find one, huh? Find that bone. Come on. Who's come on? Find it, come on. Where's that bone? Is there a bone in there? Go find one. It'd be really cool if we could find that one that I missed this year. I know he's alive. Find that bone. If you're looking for sheds, always a good place to look. Sources of food. So we planted a mix of stuff up here, so I'm gonna look here and see if there's not one up here somewhere. Find that bone. Find that bone, bring it here. Did you find one? Bring it here. Find it. Find it. Find it, come on. Come on, go find it. Go find it. So I figured there would be one if there is one. Come on, go find it. Deer trails and beds everywhere in here. Where is it? Find that bone. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where is it? Go get it. Find that bone. Find one. Something there. What'd you find, Moosey? You find a bone? Bring it here. Bring it here. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, you found legs off something. Leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Not the bones we're looking for, but it is a bone. Definitely a deer, but not the kind of bone we're looking for. Look for antlers, Moosey. Come on. Where's it at? Touch it up. Find one? Bring it here. Bring it here, Moose. Bring it here. Come on, bring it here. Bring it here. Found something.
Found that bone. Bring it here. He found something. I don't think it's an antler, but I think it's a bone. What'd you find? Unfortunate. It's a good deer. What'd you find? Bring it here. Oh, that's perfect. Deer carcass. Hey. Leave it. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Come here. That's a good boy. You found one. And that's another bone. Oh, deer carcass. Leave it. Come on. You already found that one. Find me another one. Go find another one. Yeah, he's a little more excited now. He's on the path here, that's why. He's smelling deer. Moosey, find that bone. Moosey, find that bone. Moosey, find that bone. See if he finds it. Moose! Moose! Find that bone. Find that bone. Oh, Moosey, find that bone. Hey, what's that? Oh, is that a bone? You found one! It's a good boy! It's an old one, but it's a good boy. Look at that bone! Look at that bone! You found one! Good job, Moosey! That's a good boy! It's a good boy! It's a dish! Look at that bone! Look at that bone! Look at it! It was an old one. The squirrels got to it already. That way you found no. Good job, Moosey! Even though he didn't really, I found that one first, but I wanted him to find it, so at least he gets kind of hyped up about it. Knows that he's doing a good job. Because he's found animal bones today, but they're definitely from a deer. That was the first antler he found today. It's all chewed up. It's probably from a year or two ago. But I know they're in here. Where's that bone? That's how the deer trail goes. It's kind of a goofy. Kind of stops here. I don't know where it goes though. Little ditch dog. Yeah, you got stickies all up. Got all in your fur. What are you gonna do about that, huh? Come on.
Well, that's it for this episode. I can say we didn't get skunked. We got one old shed, and although Moose didn't find it initially, he did end up finding it. So overall, a good day of shed hunting. Hopefully we can get back out again this year. As always, thanks for watching, and have fun in the outdoors.